Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Today I'm going to be doing a Boxy versus Boxy video. This is my subscription that my mom pays. Well, no, this is a subscription box that goes to my mom's house and I pay for it. This is my subscription that comes here. But also, we have some exciting spoilers. There is a really good Boxy premium spoiler and some info on the Boxy regular spoilers. So I'm gonna film the unboxings first because I'm waiting for my iPad to turn on. So we're gonna do this portion first, but I'll have the spoilers in the beginning of the video. I'm just gonna go through this portion first while my iPad charges and turns on so I can look at the information about the Boxy spoilers. So if you guys like unboxings and spoilers, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so the spoilers for the November of 2019. You guys already know about the Juice Beauty and the Kypress because they were our choices. And then the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics, which is just a mini version of her Celestial Storm palette. Except for the Celestial Thunder that we're going to be getting is 8 shades of the palette versus 12 for the full size. Personally, I'm okay with that because the only shades not in the Thunder palette we're going to get is the blue shimmer, the 2 purples, and then one of like the lighter shimmers, which I'm fine with because I don't wear dark purple eyeshadow anyways. So this palette's like $44 or something like that, and for it to come in our box next month is like really good, even though we're missing a couple shades. But for me, I wouldn't even be actually wearing those 2 shades. So 2 shades I won't get. It's still an okay value is what I'm trying to say. And then of course you know about the use the Tarte. You get the Tarte palette, use the code TRICKORTART, get the free clay shaping palette or the Tarte Glow Cheek palette. Link down below if you want to go, you know, subscribe to Boxycharm. You get the free palette, which is double the price of the box because they are both valued at $45. But we finally have a Boxycharm premium spoiler, and I figured we were gonna have something Natasha Denona because of last month's like little sneakity peekities, and yeah, we're gonna be having some Natasha Denona, so I'm pretty excited. So this is the Natasha Denona Bloom palette, and this retails for $55. I'm pretty excited. I really want to be on the Boxycharm premium list. I want to get that box next month. I want this Natasha Denona palette. Like, there's a glow, there's a blush. What is that? I don't know, I can't really see it, but this is so pretty and I cannot wait. I want to get the premium. I hope I'm accepted. But this is major. Natasha Denona, are you kidding me? Like, that is like high level right there. I'm so excited for this spoiler. I just need to have it. I'm just saying, if I don't get it, I'm gonna cry. I want it, okay? But anyways, that's it for the spoilers. I know it's like nothing, but it's something. Natasha Denona makes this whole video just like way better than it is. I'm sorry if this video is kind of boring too, which, you know, I've had a really bad day. But anyways, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with my Boxycharm because I peeked. I know what's in here, so I looked. So we're gonna go ahead and start with this one, but I did not peek my other box. So here is the contents of this box. So I got version 24, and this is gonna tell me the value of everything. Now, the first thing in here was my choice, and I got the Touch and Soul Glossy Skin Balm, the Pretty Filter. So I'm pretty stoked about this. Oh, this is so pretty. I wonder if it like smells good. Oh. It smells so good. I cannot wait to use this. Oh my goodness. I'm excited about that. Oh, the value of this is, the value of this is $32. Woo! The next item I got in here, I'm actually pretty excited about, and it came bubble wrapped. And this is the Paula's Choice Exfoliate. I really wanted this, so I'm pretty excited that I have it. And this is a retail value of $29.50. I need to smell it. Oh, there's a safety seal on here, so I'm pretty excited. It says Paula's Choice Skincare. I don't smell anything. It doesn't have a scent to me. I don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't smell like anything. So yeah, pretty excited about this. The next item in here is from Iconic London, and this is the Lip Plumping Gloss in Nearly Nude. Pretty excited to try this. Oh, it has a really long wand applicator. Wait, hold on, let me beauty guru for a second. Really long wand. Oh, and it smells just like a lip plumper. It's like minty. My wand's a little crooked though. I don't know if you can tell. Let's just look at the color. Oh, it's so pretty. Love that. It's very opaque too. So I like that. And the retail on this little thing is $26. The next item in the box is from, how do you pronounce this? Jaunt Blue? I don't know. I know I've heard of this before, or I've seen it before. I might have even gotten something from them. I'm not sure. This has a retail value of $5, which to me, personally, that's how much lip liner should be. Mine's not a point, but like I don't care. I just wanted to say that it wasn't in a point. And this is actually a really pretty color. So I can see myself using that because I know I have shades that I can use this with. The last thing in the box is my Dose of Colors palette. I'm so excited. Thank you, Jesus. It is bubble wrapped too, because, you know. All right. I have the Baked Browns palette, which looks so cute. The retail value of this is $32. I want to look at this. Uh-oh. This is not a good sign. Uh-oh. Oh, okay. Oh, I saw like the powder everywhere. So I thought that this busted, but it didn't. So somebody's must have busted and it just came into my palette. But these are the colors. They are so pretty. Yeah, pretty excited about this one. But yeah, you can make some really cute looks with this. It comes with a brush. Not sure if I'm going to use the brush often, but pretty stoked about it. So far, I really like my box. So, yay! Hopefully this next box will be good. Okay, you guys, it's time to open up my other box. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited. And if there's any repeated items, I'll put that in my giveaway pile for a future giveaway. And voila! Here's the card to tell me everything. And this might not be very good because I see more like shade powder in here, but I'm actually seeing it outside the box, so hopefully nothing in here broke or I'm gonna cry because this palette doesn't have any bubble wrap on it, so I'm concerned. But here's the choice for this box, and I got the Iconic London spray. This is actually like so pretty. I wonder if it smells good. smells like a really good shampoo, and I don't know, it smells like very familiar. Maybe a hairspray? I don't know, it smells familiar. Like I've smelled this before, like fresh out of the shower, maybe a shampoo smell. That's what this smells like. It smells really good. The retail value of this is $29, and also I got variation 18. Okie dokie. The next thing in here is from Mellow. I haven't seen Mellow in a very long time. Ooh, yeah, there's powder all over this thing. I haven't seen this one in well over a year. I got one of these in, not this, but something from them, in my Ipsy glam bag forever ago. This is a tinted brow gel, and it's in the shade dark brown, so I'm not gonna be able to use this. Why would they give me this in dark brown? Like, that's not on my profile. So this is like, I cannot use this. And it says the retail value is $16, so that's kind of a bummer because that's not gonna work for these eyebrows. I use blonde. So I'll put this in a giveaway, in my giveaway pile, and hopefully whoever wins my giveaway that I'm gonna have coming up in the future, you guys have some dark eyebrows. If not, just let me know and we'll just take it out. We'll get to that in the future. The next thing in the box is a Hollywood and Vine Black Velvety Touch Smooth Eyeliner. Retail value, $7. This is actually a pretty long pencil. So let's see how it feels. Oh, wow. It's definitely pretty black. Like, barely touching. Huh. I mean, it's not the creamiest I've ever felt. It's a little bit stiff, but I mean, like, the color comes off right away as soon as you touch it, so I like that. It's not a liner that I'm gonna have to, like, dig into my eye just to get the color out, so pretty excited about that. The next thing, oh, I wanted this, is the Hank & Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. This is in the shade Clout. I don't know if this is going to be black or not. This retails for $19. I want to see. I really do like the packaging though. It's really cute. Okay, what side is this? This I think might be the normal side. Oh, okay, so it's black. It's definitely black. And then this must be the small side. Oh my goodness, look at that itty, hold on, Beauty Guru. Look at that itty bitty little wand. That's insane. I've never used a wand that small. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. Okay. And then the last thing in the box, oh my God. Let's hope to the high heavens this isn't broke because I see shadow. But then again, the other palette had shadow on the outside. So, maybe, we have shadow. Uh-oh. Oh, this thing is covered in shadow. Oh no. Okay. Fingers crossed that this isn't broke. Oh, it's broken. We have a downer. Down for the count. Hopefully Boxycharm will replace it. If not, then I guess we'll have to deal with it. I've never had anything come broken or anything from Boxycharm, so I wonder how they're gonna handle this situation. If you guys have ever had anything broken, how did they handle it? Let me know. But I'm going to let them know that this did come broken, which it didn't even, oh, that's me, hi. It didn't even have bubble wrap on it. I don't understand because the other palette did have bubble wrap on it, so okay. But I am happy that I got the Sassy Siennas. I was gonna buy this as an add-on and I decided not to, so glad that I didn't because now I have it. And of course, the retail value is $32. So yeah, that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. I guess I'm gonna get my iPad now and start with the spoilers. So let me do that because I need to put this in the beginning of the video. So that's it for today's video. If you guys loved it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!